Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Shadera, and this is a very different setup to what I normally have because I'm actually supposed to be packing for my holiday, and it's literally like past 10 p.m. and I'm traveling in the morning and I've packed absolutely nothing. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Also, who likes my mismatched earrings? These were my mum's, but fun fact, she always loses one pair of her earrings, and I have like a lot of earrings that just have one pair, so I kind of like the way that these two look together. Really random, but just wanted to show you guys that. And in case you didn't notice, I'm also blonde for Thailand. Just I think it matches the whole beachy vibe as well. And I don't think I mentioned before, but I'm actually going to Thailand. So first things first are the essentials. If you're from the UK like I am, Thailand don't use the like 3-part chargers. They actually use the EU ones or the American ones. So I've got my converter. Then I also have bug spray, extra strength, because there are a lot of like diseases that are tied with what do you call it? Bug bites that are associated with Thailand. So I'm trying not to get like bitten at all, so extra strength. And then we also got these like bracelets and a sound thing that repels insects as well. So I'm going to link those down below in the description box if you guys are also going to Thailand or any like place that has like a mosquito issue. Then sunscreen factor 50 because I'm trying to protect my skin. But I got the big size, and I'm going to repackage it into these little containers just so I have like it on hand as well. Might as well do that now. I think I can just... Oops. I'm going for 2 weeks, so I kind of need enough to last me 2 weeks. And this like little container of like travel cases I actually got from TK Maxx, but I'm sure you can find it anywhere as well, probably on Amazon or something. But the brand is Amika Trendy Travel Accessories, and it comes in really handy. It's got like a range of different ones, like sprays, little tubs, the ones that you squeeze as well. And it's even got like a little funnel for you to funnel it through. But yeah, pretty handy. Alright. I have this little guest bag, which I'm actually going to be packing my like essentials that I need on hand. So my passport, cards. Then I got this like little USB converter, which plugs into my phone so that my hard drive can plug into my phone, and I can like transfer stuff from my phone into the hard drive, so I have a bit more space. I'm going to be packing that as well into my little handbag. And then I'm going to add my lip gloss as well because I don't like my lips to not be glossy. So just basically things that I'm going to need throughout the flight, I'm packing into this little bag. So now that's out of the way, I think we can pack a few of the clothing now. Oh, and I have this little remote control. So when I'm taking pictures, I can take it with this. So I'm going to try that out. I think that might be fun. I'll put that in a little bag as well. Cool. And I'm going to add my charger. But I want to charge up my phone before I do that. Now for clothing, I'm going to pack 3 swimsuits. So I'm not really trying to get in the water too much, but it's like a beachy holiday, so there are going to be opportunities to swim. So I have 3 swimsuits. I have this one, which is like a crop top and shorts combo, and I got it from Pretty Little Thing last year, so it's a pretty cute one, kind of like a tomboy-ish, kind of like a Skims set effect, I'd say. Then I also have this one that's a little bit more fancy and pretty, again from Pretty Little Thing last year, like the beginning of last year. I wore this in Malta, but I don't have any pictures with it. But it's a really cute, nice bikini. And I love the tassel effect in the front. I'm in swimsuit. And then last I have this one again from Pretty Little Thing, but a couple years ago, that wraps in the front, and then it comes with some like high-waisted like underwear. So those are my 3 swimsuits that I'm going to pack with me. So I have no idea what clothes I'm bringing with me. I literally took out all the colourful clothing that I own from my wardrobe, and I'm going to sort through that and see what I'm going to wear and like try and put some outfits together now. But this top, I know I really want to wear this. I think it's like really nice and colourful, which would go with the Thailand vibes. And then I have this 2-piece set, which I normally take on holiday with me. So I'm thinking the top paired with this skirt. And then let me show you these heels that I want to take with me as well. So that outfit with these heels. Aren't these so stunning? Really stunning. So I think that is a definite. Also, I probably should think about what jewelry I want to take with me as well. Like I've taken out some of the jewelry that I want to take with me, and it's like many like statement pieces. So with that outfit, I could probably do these earrings to kind of tie in the orange as well. That could really go nicely. Or maybe something more understated, like a more neutral. Or maybe these earrings would look really nice actually. These earrings. They're really pretty. And I just like how it's all colourful and different colours flowing throughout the outfit. But this skirt I think is going to be like a core for me. I have the matching top, which I'm going to take with me as well. But I want to kind of like mix and match and wear them with different things. But my vibe is going to be very much colourful. I personally like to plan in outfits. I think it just makes it easier for when I arrive. So I probably should have like tried stuff on before and like planned it. But I'm just going to kind of wing it and see what works. But yeah, I'm going to pack a few white tank tops. So I have like a few in like different cuts. I have this one that's like from ASOS and it's just cut off. Essentially you could just buy like a full length white tank top and cut it yourself. I have this more fitted one from Urban Revivo. Again, like cropped, scooped in the sides, but nice, basic. And then this one that ruches on the sides from Pretty Little Thing and cropped as well. So I think those are nice basics to pack just because they go with everything. They're going to keep you nice and cool. And I also have this off the shoulder little white top from Pretty Little Thing as well. Just nice basic. But yeah, like I was saying, these are nice to have because they kind of match with everything and they make sure like I'm nice and cool. So even though I don't have actual outfits planned, as long as I have like different pieces, they can be like interchanged with each other. Also, look at these trousers that I got from TK Maxx today. How stunning. They are from a brand called Wildflower. And I'm pretty sure they're handmade, but these are so nice. So I'm very excited to wear these when we get there. And it's going to be like 30 degrees out there. So that's why I'm trying to pack more light, airy things. These are quite thick, but they do have like the holes in them because they are crocheted. So it should be fine to wear out there. Guys, look how perfectly this bag goes with these trousers. Is that not like a complete vibe? And then with this necklace as well.